rage and fear in Latina province due to a tornado that quickly crossed the southern areas of the plain between Terrakina and Saboda, where the several farms reported damage. Uprooted trees and roads problems were also reported in several areas. Some villagers saw moments of fear on the Pentic coast, affected by bad weather, but not only rain and thunderstorm. Early in the afternoon, a whirlwind development between the municipalities in the direction of Pantina. The phenomenon lasted for several minutes, and then other vortex formed, but in this case, the funnel did not reach the ground, dissolving in a few seconds. Now it remains only to state the damage. Flooding and mudslides hit Komo and the nearby towns of Torno and Blevio, dumping mud and debris into residential areas, while extreme weather hit the same area hit by similar storms. Water got everywhere, said an eyewitness. It only took an hour of rain for all hell to break loose. The Laureana State Highway had to be closed to traffic, and the storms also caused major problems in the Lecco area. Scientists say such extreme weather events are becoming more intensive and frequent due to human-included climate change.